Next. Osrodem business model canvas proposes a dash element of business model. How many elements?
9 elements.
9 elements.
9 elements. With respect to 9 elements, the center point is what? Value proportion.
Value proportion.
That value proportion consists of what and what? One is for cost
Structure.
Cost,
Revenue.
Revenue structure.
revenue.
Under cost structure, 3 elements are there. What are all they?
Key part.
Key activities,
Partners,
key resources.
Key activities and
Key
the
resources.
Key resources.
Key resources.
whereas in the revenue, 3 elements.
Customer.
Customer
Customer segment. Channel.
Customer segment.
First one,
Customer relationship.
customer relationship, customer segment, and the channel. So 3 plus 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, totally 9 models, 9 elements are there. Next, it deals with the product or service. Products or service that the business offers to target customer segment in order to solve their problems are value proportion, channel, or revenue frames.
Value proportion.
Proportion.
Value proportion. So value proportion denotes it deals with the product or service that the business offered to target the customer segment in order to solve the problem. Nothing but main business, right? Main business activity. Next, which one of the following are not the advantages of traditional cost management? Not disadvantages, right or not? Not disadvantages of traditional cost management. First one, it ignores competition, market growth, and customers' requirement. Yes, it's form part of disadvantage, right? Excessive focus on cost reduction, broader cost reduction leads to inferior quality. That is also its disadvantage only. Third one, rely only on financial data. Hence, dynamics of the market and the economics are ignored. That is also its disadvantage only. Fourth one, reactive in approach. It serves a corrective functional instead of preventive function. Corrective function instead of preventive function. So A is correct, B is correct, C is correct. Am I right? D correct earlier.
Correct.
Reactive, not proactive. Therefore, A, B, C, D, all the fours are
Correct.
disadvantage only. Therefore, what is the right answer?
None of the
Because they are not the disadvantage. Everything is a disadvantage. Good. Out of offering following statements, which are correctly displayed the features of strategic cost management. Nothing but what are all the features of strategic cost management? Strategic cost management is use case of cost information for decision making. Next, strategic cost is reactive approach. Scope of strategic cost management is wider enough to allow it to emphasize on product differentiation apart from cost containment. So, what is the correct features of the strategic cost management?
C, sir. 1 and 3.
Yes, sir. 1 and 3.
B and C both are same option only, sir.
Okay. One is the correct or not? Reactive approach or proactive approach?
Proactive approach. SCPM has a proactive approach.
The proactive approach. Therefore, it's not correct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
First one is correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Decision making correct. Third one, wider enough to allow the
Product differentiation apart from cost control.
One is correct. That is A, B, and C. Nothing but 1 and 3 are correct. Am I right or not? It's supposed to be 1, 2, and 3. Am I right?
Option B.
Option B is correct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then, the concept of industry is dash than segment, and the concept of sector is dash than industry.
Industry is wider. Wider than segment.
Wider and sectors
Wider.
narrow.
Concept of industry is wider than
Segment.
segment.
And concept of sector
Sector
is
is
narrower than industry.
Is
Wider
Narrower than industry.
narrower than industry.
Narrower or wider?
Narrower.
Narrow.
Sir, wide.
Wider.
Wider only.
Wider.
Wider.
Wider than industry. Both wider only. Therefore, which one is the biggest?
Sector.
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 Thereafter,
Industry.
Industry.
industry. Thereafter,
Segment.
Segment.
thereafter company. Am I right?
Yes.
So the order, if you want, you can note it down so that you can have the better clarity. What is the first one?
Sector.
Sector. Industry.
Industry agana.
Yes, sir.
Industry.
Industry.
Segment.
Segment.
Thereafter,
Segment.
Company.
thereafter you can say company. Am I right?
Company.
The company is small, upper sector, industry, and upper segment, industry as well sector. Good.